This is his ultimate test. The snake targets the head, the badger's weak spot. But where another animal might run off to find easier prey, this is a honey badger. Nothing scares him. He keeps on coming. The snake tries to run. But once the honey badger has locked onto its target, it doesn't back down. Once the badger immobilizes the snake's jaws, it's game over. He's learned to survive by surviving. His offspring will face the same hurdles and have the same chances. While the summer lasts, he'll continue to do what he does best: be a honey badger and prepare himself for the long